Once we've mixed our water-based clear acrylic glaze with the acrylic colours of raw umber and a touch of black, we can apply it onto the board or the surface that we're working on. You can see already just by painting the surface it's starting to look like a wood effect without any other form of manipulation. This is a very quick and easy way to obtain a wood effect. I could have just left it, but I'm just dragging it out, laying it off, which is very similar to dragging. Here I just added a couple of black stripes and with a steel metal comb dragged the surface down. On this panel, which we just painted, we're going to use a graining flogger. And as you can see, another wood effect. On this panel I just added a touch more black to darken the glaze. And just laying it off, and I just like that effect, but I'm going to get the flogger, the graining flogger. Now automatically I like that finish, so I'm just going to do that the once and leave it, and then once it's varnished a couple of times it will enhance the appearance. Thank you for watching. kudostraining.biz.